What's great about our in-person classes is that you get to form a strong unity and a bond with other student practitioners. We're also able to include added content, activities, and guest speakers that you wouldn't receive otherwise. Another thing that happens with live in-person classes is that many times students ask questions that take the class conversations down several foot zone rabbit holes that can't be duplicated with online classes. And there's nothing like getting that one-on-one instruction with your teachers and your facilitators. So with live in-person classes, for one scheduled weekend each month, you have the opportunity to attend class for 2 days where you will receive packed information of one of our units. These 7 in-class units of instruction are loaded. You will learn how to perform the foundational foot zone technique, as well as learn over 150 newly discovered and documented acupressure points that we've added to our advanced foot zone program. This has given our clients even more healing benefits. The foot zone technique is taught within 4 phases, but also taught by each body system, which is so beneficial and crucial to help you see the foot zone from many different perspectives. You'll also perform foot zone clinicals and receive that one-on-one instruction that is so key to helping you be on point and proficient. During this time, you will learn how to apply accurate foot zone points of pressure, become educated about conditions that are associated with those points of pressure, and you will receive instruction about orientation points and landmarks on the feet to help you become precise and accurate as you trigger each acupressure point of the body. Now, with these clinicals, you will learn everything you need to know to become a professional practitioner within the foot zone industry. Your professional classes are aligned with the massage law, which includes what's expected of a professional practitioner, how to practice universal health practices and the code of ethics, clinical practices of sanitation and safety laws, and you will also learn to identify any indications, cautions, contraindications that your clients may have in relation to the foot zone. Your instructor will lead the class in discussion of anatomy and physiology, breaking each system down into quick, easy to understand segments. You will also receive our highly applauded anatomy and physiology books and foot zone manuals, which were written to help you understand the body in relation to the foot zone technique and how the body naturally works to heal itself and sustain a thriving nature. During your in-person classes, you're taught the history of foot zone therapy and all about Dr. Ersdal, who is the father of foot zone therapy. Wellness Life Zone also shares any new research information and new foot zone acupressure point discoveries to keep you up to date with our latest findings. Our bonus in-person classes are called the Jumpstart classes, where you have the option of attending a 3-day class that is taught 4 times throughout the year and available to all certification students. This is also a great option for those students who are out of state and choose to do the certification via online, but our in-class students love it as well. This class will give you a huge jump start to the foot zone technique as you're taken on a tour of the entire foot zone map and learn how to apply the proper pressure and technique to the trigger points on the feet, which is a wonderful overview to help you get started. If you have more questions about our in-person classes, please feel free to contact us up in the toolbar. Or if you're ready to attend our next certification class, go ahead and click that registration button right now and get started today.